everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today, if you can't tell from the title, we are making chicken fajitas. I will of course leave all the ingredients and stuff that I'm using down below, but I'm going to show you everything we're doing and that we're using. And if you guys want to see how to make some chicken fajitas, keep on watching. Okay, so I'm totally basic and I just use one of these Old El Paso dinner kits, the fajita dinner kits. We just like the taste of these and stuff, so these are so much easier, so we always use one of these. You obviously can add in whatever vegetables you like. I've already said in another cooking video that we really don't like peppers, so you would normally add peppers into fajitas, but we're just using onions. So I have a huge onion here because we really like onion. And then for your toppings, obviously you can do whatever you want. I always like to do some kind of cheese, so today I'm using this marble cheddar and some shredded lettuce, so we'll be cutting that up. And then I kind of make my own like sauce. Obviously you can do just sour cream, but my fiance Kenny doesn't like sour cream, so I make this kind of sauce that we put on it. So I just use Hidden Valley Ranch, a little bit of Miracle Whip or mayo, whatever you have, and some of the Frank's Red Hot or whatever kind of hot sauce you like. Okay, and then since I am cutting all this up and getting it ready a couple hours before we're eating dinner, I'm gonna wrap it all up and put it in the fridge until we're ready to cook the chicken and eat. I'm actually using these beeswax wraps made by Mind Your Bees, and I will of course leave their link down below, and there's also a coupon code down there for you guys, and I'll leave it up on the screen here as well. So they are beeswax wraps made of cotton, beeswax, jojoba oil, and food grade pine tree resin, and so they're all natural, and you can wrap them right around your food. So let's say I used half my onion, I can wrap my onion in the wraps, but I'm actually going to put them right on my bowls here so I can pop them in the fridge. So just going to wrap everything up with the wraps. And these come in all different colors. They're really cute. So the ones that I got are these tie-dye ones, and then this super cute print here. So I'm just gonna wrap my bowls up with them. And these of course are reusable. You just wash them with cold water and natural dish soap. And I'll wrap this up. So it's a great alternative to using like saran wrap or foil because they're reusable. So there's our wraps. We're gonna pop those in the fridge, and then I'll come back when we're ready to make our chicken, and I'll share with you guys what we're doing with that. you.